everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward to talk about the NEET MDS 2024 aspirants, those who are not eligible. The $1,000,000 question, that is, where is the revised cutoff? Already we know I am fabricating this video on the 3rd September around 10:30 p.m. So I hope that by tomorrow it will be released on my channel, and by tomorrow, as you said, that the choice filling will be start for MCC round 4 stray vacancy round, right? Question remains same, that where is the revised cutoff? First of all, let me tell you one thing, that this year whenever the registration start for the MCC any round of the counseling, they simply release the seat matrix immediately, and you can do the choice filling immediately after you are done with your registration in that particular round. So the first question, no ma'am, there is no choice filling started dear. Last I think yesterday or the day before yesterday we got the clear cut vacancy for the stray vacancy round 4 of MCC. So if you have done your registration earlier, or if you want to do it right now for the stray vacancy round, immediately after that you can do your choice filling for the stray vacancy round. So this is the first query, right? Second, will be any release of the revised cutoff? What my personal suggestion and my answer to this question is no, because the chances are too less. It's nearly about, at least now I am thinking it's only 1% that the revised cutoff will come, because almost the stray vacancy round has opened and seat matrix are out for different state, and after that you can think of any round to happen or something like that. That is next to impossible. Next question, is this the first time that we are not getting the revised cutoff? The answer is yes. In a decade, this is the first time, first year in the NEET MDS where we didn't get the revised cutoff till this time. This is the breaking news for the NEET MDS aspirant 2025 as well as for the NEET MDS 2024 counseling aspirant, those who are not eligible, that this criteria was never happened, but this is happening right now in NEET MDS 2024 counseling, right? Third question is, what's the reason that there is no release of the revised cutoff? Reason regarding why there is no release of the revised cutoff, whatever I am gonna tell you, that is my thought simply. It is nothing written anywhere as such, no official update or something, but yeah, this could be the one reason which I have seen and go through the counseling process and come across. What happened is, first there will be the postponement case going on for the NEET MDS 2024 examination. Once it is done in the March 2024, after that we are waiting for the result of NEET MDS 2024, and at the same time, because a lot of chaos was going on in the NEET UG examination, right? So what happened is, in April, the NBE has changed the pattern of NEET MDS 2025. They bring out the pattern of the AIMS, which is quite tough for the students, right? And because of the fear of that new pattern, those students who are the NEET MDS 2024 aspirants and who think that they want to take a drop, they are not taking the drop this year. They are intentionally participated in the NEET MDS 2024 counseling, and moreover there are lots of students who have raised their budget just to get the branch or a seat in NEET MDS 2024 counseling, because they don't want to face the NEET MDS 2025 examination. Followed by that, they don't want to give the NEET MDS 2025 new pattern examination. So this is the one main reason that most of the students have participated in the counseling. And as you know, as compared to MD/MS in NEET PG, if we compare the NEET MDS counseling, there is not so much increase in the dental seats in MDS every year as compared to the NEET PG, right? So that is the second option, because already we know in NEET MDS 2024, 28,000 students have given this time the NEET MDS examination, out of which somewhere around 14,000 something are eligible, right? And among those, the seats got over, right? there is no seats left. So from where you can expect the revised cutoff? Still, yesterday only we got the Maharashtra round 4 and round 5 counseling schedule dates. That means there is no chance of the revised cutoff, because if there could be a chance of revised cutoff, so they would not release the schedule simultaneously for the round 4 and round 5. Moreover, this year one important thing also happened. Round 5 never happened in case of NEET MDS counseling. But round 5 this year will gonna happen. That is a special stray vacancy round, that too in case of Maharashtra state, and that too in case of NEET MDS 2024. Already I have put the reel on that schedule on my Instagram ID. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, and get updated first, right? Because by seeing the dates of the stray vacancy round and the special stray vacancy round, somewhere somehow we have the mind and we have fabricated this thought that it will not come. But still you can hope if you want to, like 1%, 2%, 3%. Already the Bihar state is full. Tomorrow the Punjab will be full. Somehow the states are getting full with the seats of MDS. So the chances of the revised cutoff is very, very, very less. Better you will take a drop and prepare it for the next year, which is very, very important, because the new pattern will be there for the NEET MDS 2025 examination. And if you need any kind of the help in the preparation, or you want to do the time-based test series, or if you want to take the past papers, you can contact me by any of the mode. Either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. But at least start your preparation for NEET MDS 2025. Only we have just 6 months in our hand, and yes, it is possible to prepare for NEET MDS 2025 at this moment only. If we gonna start, we will definitely crack it and we will definitely do it. So good luck everyone. That's all. Thank you for watching.